Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can transform your space with some super easy and budget-friendly home decorating ideas. Whether you're in a small apartment or a big house, these hacks will give your home a fresh, new look without breaking the bank. I've got 10 incredible ideas lined up for you, from DIY wall art to upcycle furniture, so make sure to stick around until the end for all the tips and tricks. Let's start with one of the most impactful things you can do in a room: changing up the wall art. A simple, affordable way to upgrade your space is by creating your own custom wall art. You can use old magazines, fabric scraps, or even free printables found online. Take an old canvas, paint it with a bold color, and then add a geometric design with painter's tape. It's modern and very cost-effective. Mix and match different art styles like minimalist posters and large statement pieces to create a balanced look on your walls. If you want to make a statement, try a gallery wall. You can make it with thrift frames or even old artwork you already have. It's a great way to give your space personality. Get frames from thrift stores or dollar stores and mix and match them. Add your own prints, photos, or even fabric swatches. Group them in an asymmetrical style for a modern look, or go with a symmetrical arrangement for a classic vibe. Don't be afraid to play with different frame sizes. It creates visual interest. Next up, let's talk about upcycling furniture. You don't need to throw out old furniture. You can give it a fresh look with a little creativity. Take an old wooden chair or table and sand it down, then paint it with an accent color that matches the theme of your room. I found this old chair for just $5 at a thrift store. After sanding and painting it with a bright color, it looks brand new. Use chalk paint or spray paint for a smooth, polished finish without much hassle. Another simple way to transform a space is by adding new throw pillows and blankets. This is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to update any room. Look for affordable options like DIY pillow covers or upcycled fabric that you can sew into new pillowcases. I used fabric remnants from an old shirt to create these unique, custom pillow covers that tie together the color scheme of the room. Layering different textures, like a velvet pillow with a linen blanket, instantly adds sophistication to your space. Lighting can totally change the vibe of a room. Instead of spending money on expensive chandeliers, why not make your own? A great example is creating a pendant light from an old basket or making a DIY lantern out of tin cans. This hanging light fixture was made from a woven basket I found at a thrift store. I simply added a light bulb socket inside, and now it's the focal point of my dining area. Use string lights to create cozy, ambient lighting in any room. You can hang them behind furniture, drape them along the wall, or place them inside glass jars for a whimsical look. Don't throw away old lampshades. Instead, give them a makeover. You can wrap them in fabric, paint them, or even add embellishments to make them look like new. I wrapped this old lampshade with a piece of burlap fabric to create a rustic look that fits perfectly with the farmhouse-style theme of my room. Don't forget to update the light bulbs too. LED lights can give your space a brighter, more modern feel. Adding plants to your space is an easy way to bring life and color into your home. Don't worry if you're not a green thumb, there are tons of low-maintenance plants that are perfect for beginners. Repot small plants into thrift containers or make your own planters from old mugs, teacups, or baskets. You can even take a couple of small plants and place them in a wooden crate for a stylish display. If you're looking for low-maintenance plants, succulents or snake plants are perfect. Candles are another great way to add atmosphere to your home. You don't need to buy expensive candles, you can make your own. Using soy wax, essential oils, and old candle jars or mason jars, you can create custom candles to fit your space. These candles are super easy to make, and you can customize the scent to match your room's vibe. Candles also make fantastic gifts, so consider making extras for friends and family. Upcycling is not just for furniture. You can upcycle almost anything to make decorative pieces for your home. Take an old wine bottle and turn it into a decorative vase, or repurpose wooden crates into stylish storage solutions. Look around your home for things you no longer need. With a little creativity, almost anything can be turned into something beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these budget-friendly home decorating hacks inspire you to start transforming your own space. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more decorating tips, and drop a comment telling me which idea you're most excited to try. See you next time. In my next video, I'll be sharing even more creative DIY home projects, so stay tuned.